Do you know that for every one human cell in our body, there are 10 bacterial cells that live in us? These bacteria mostly live in our intestines and are together called the microbiome. We now know that much of our health depends on the kind of microbiome that we have. Certain diseases happen if the microbiome is disturbed in a particular way. Similarly, certain diseases and conditions can be improved if the microbiome is altered in a positive manner. We hypothesize that health of people living in poverty can be improved to some degree if their microbiome is improved. One way of improving the microbiome is through diet, and another way is medicine. Our research group is currently undertaking multiple projects to improve the microbiome of women and children in rural Pakistan. In one study, we are giving many different forms of achars to women of reproductive age in Matiari district of rural Sindh. We are then testing to see if achars improve the microbiome of these women or not. In another study, which is a consortium of many different international universities, we are studying the effects of different types of medicines like probiotics on the microbiome of women and children in our rural areas. We hope that we will find ways to improve the microbiome of our population, and this improvement in microbiome will lead to improvement in health of our people.